Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. I am going to show you how to use this wonderful quick stir pitcher. It'll hold 2 liters of fluid. So I just want to show you how easy Pampered Chef makes cooking in my kitchen. All right, so we just take off the top. I love frozen juice, especially in the summertime when it's so hot. You need about 36 ounces to go with this. And you need to let it set out about an hour in your refrigerator, or maybe 2 to get it soft enough. And I love Aquafina water, as we're talking about brands. But I love the quick stir pitcher, and you're going to see why here in just a moment. And so 1 liter is 33.8. I thought about 36, so I was doing pretty good with my math, and I usually don't. And then you put your your top back down in. Okay. That is why it is a fabulous product, and it's wonderful. Do I have a glass out? No, I don't. But I have a new way of using this measuring cup. Taste test. Heavenly. Thank you, Lord. We're having a fundraiser for the ministries, the outreach ministries at my church. Please use the link in the video to provide an order, and every order helps. Pampered Chef is donating up to 30% of your purchase today. So I thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy the quick stir pitcher as much as I do. Thank you.